Enjoy a cool and comfortable ride with FH Group's Supreme Twill high-back seat covers. These stylish covers are made of flat cloth polyester and twill blend, designed to not only impress, but to also protect your upholstery from everyday wear and tear. The twill center panel is made with advanced stitching, allowing the material to stretch and breathe. The rear seat covers can accommodate both solid or split bench seats, and a mesh extension is included to cover the exposed sides. The built-in zippers allow access to all the vehicle's seat controls, including center console and cup holders. This full seat cover set can accommodate traditional heated or cooled seats. Special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. The tag is easily visible and should be facing the door. And the bucket seat features a slip pocket at the back to keep personal items within an arm's reach. Enjoy the stylish yet practical benefits of your Supreme Twill seat covers.